Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reduce the lag in Wuthering Waves on your mobile device. A lot of people are experiencing lag recently while playing, so hopefully these changes on those settings will help you reduce it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go to your settings on the top right and then go to the video settings exactly, and from here you can see multiple options. First of all, you're going to disable the anti-aliasing, and if any of the settings are set to medium or high, you can lower them and try to test it out. Each time you can set them as much as you can, and then after that, open the settings on your phone and then go to the battery section. And then make sure that the battery power is not in battery saver or ultra battery saver, because those will reduce the power on the phone and will increase the lagging. Also, make sure that you switch from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data, because cellular data will help it lag much less, especially if there's any pressure on that Wi-Fi signal from the house or from anyone else connecting to it. Finally, you can go to background auto start or background refresh depending on the phone that you have, and you're going to turn off the apps that you least use on a daily basis, because those will keep running in the background and that will also increase the lag on the game. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.